Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this MB Sturgis Propane Pigtail with back check. This propane pigtail is going to connect your propane cylinder to a regulator, and it can be used for single or dual tank setups on the front of your travel trailer, and also used to connect a remote tank to a high pressure regulator. This is ideal for travel trailers with a split tank system. That kind of system features one cylinder on the driver's side and one cylinder on the passenger side of your trailer. This hose connects the cylinder on your passenger side to a high pressure regulator, and an additional hose, which is sold separately, will then carry the propane from the high pressure regulator to the two-stage regulator on the driver's side of your trailer. This female Type 1 fitting connects to the valve on your propane cylinder, and it will go into bypass mode if the flow rate surpasses the maximum flow capacity for this connector, which is 450,000 BTU per hour. A ball inside of the fitting will push an internal spring down, pressing firmly against the bottom fitting to shut the bottom of the fitting to shut off the flow of gas. This male NPT is going to connect to a propane regulator, and the thermal shutoff device turns off the gas flow in extreme heat caused by open flame, and an excess flow safety device limits gas flow in the event of a severe leak. This is made in the USA with the hose constructed of a durable thermoplastic with brass fittings. It is approved for LP gas only. It is rated for high pressure and high flow rate to handle unregulated propane. It is UL 569 and ANSI Z21-81 certified. The temperature range is -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And overall, this is about 20 inches long and has an inner diameter of 1/4 of an inch. The maximum pressure rating is 350 PSI. And again, the maximum flow capacity is 450,000 BTU per hour. When choosing a Type 1 connector, it is important to consider your overall propane demands and choose a connector with a flow rate that just exceeds it. That way you won't trigger the bypass mode during normal use, but it will trigger in the event of a leak. If the bypass valve engages, stop using the gas and start checking your connections for leaks. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.